Good morning. Welcome to Green Valley
Good
Hotel.
morning.
How can I help you
I
today,
need to
ma'am?
check in, please.
Yes, of course, ma'am. May I ask if you have any reservation today, ma'am? Could I get your name, ma'am?
Yes, I have a reservation. It's under my name, Katrina Wong.
Thank you, Miss Katrina. How's your day, ma'am?
Actually, it's tiring because of a long
I will
flight.
get your check-in as soon as possible, ma'am, so you can relax. Excuse me, ma'am. Here's your key card and your room is on 3rd floor. Enjoy your stay and have a nice day, ma'am.
Thank you.
It's my pleasure to give you a best service, ma'am. Thank you.
Hello, good evening. This is housekeeping. How can I help you?
Good evening. It is possible to get another pair of sleeper and extra bed in my room?
Yes, of course, ma'am. I will bring it to your room as soon as possible. Can I get your room number, please?
I'm in room 301. Would it be okay if I ask another request? I want to replace the electric pot. It's not working.
Of course, ma'am. Is it okay if you have to wait for another minute? I just need to get it in our stock room.
Okay, I will wait for it.
Hello, good evening. This is housekeeping. How can I help you?
Good evening. Could you please change the extra bed? Because it's all full. And I'm still waiting for the electric pot.
My apologies, ma'am, for the inconvenience. The housekeeping staff will bring another bed in your room. And don't worry, the electric pot will be in your room in a minute.
Okay, I will wait for it.
Thank you, ma'am. I sincerely apologize for the inconvenience. Have a nice day and enjoy.